Hey, science learners, welcome. Today we're going to work on, do plants need soil to grow? And this lovely science question came from a classmate of yours who posted, like they were supposed to, in the ecosystems question discussion that we had earlier in the week. Now, if you're wanting your question to get tested, you've got to answer. You've got to submit your questions to us, and we might get around to working on them as an experiment. And our big idea is, of course, all living things interact with one another and rely on energy transfer between sun, water, and our gases, our natural gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. So we're going to set up your journal today and we're going to get this experiment started, but it's got to sit for about 10 days till we see some changes. So I'm going to start out, of course, with your journal and your handy pencil. And you need to flip to your table of contents page. Today's date is 9/17, and the title is Do Plants Need Soil to Grow? And yesterday we worked on why are there so many plants? So today we're going to work on do plants need soil to grow? And it should be page 8, okay? So pause the video right here and copy down your table of contents. All right. Now you need to flip to that page, to page 8. Oh, look, there it is. And you need to set up your journal page with our title, Do Plants Need Soil to Grow? After you write the title, I need you to draw me 2 baggies. These are baggies that I drew. And above one, it says day 1. And above the other, it says day 10. Okay, so pause the video, copy this down. All right, if you're back with us, you now need to add the claim and evidence boxes to your journal page 8 and your wonders spot. Remember, wonders are just a way to get questions for future experiments. So you need to have your wonders. So go ahead and pause the video right here. Copy this one down, okay? If you come back to us, good, because we're done with the journal temporarily. So set it to the side, but not too far away, and set your pencil with it because you're going to need it in a minute to do some scientific sketching. All right, today I asked you in the materials to have some bean seeds if possible. If you don't have bean seeds or you don't have any of the materials that I've listed, the good news is you can watch along with Miss Hudson in the video and you don't have to have it, okay? It's in the video, you watch along, you'll get the same information. Now, if you'd like to try this at home and mom and dad are cool with it, that's okay. But do not run out and buy bean seeds from the co-op or somewhere else just because Miss Hudson said you needed bean seeds. We're going to have to stop experiments online that way, okay, if we have a lot of stress. The idea is to stay safe in your house, not roam out to every store everywhere and get sick. All right, if you don't have bean seeds, Miss Hudson has done this experiment with grass seed. This is a bag of grass seed. This is a bag of clover seed, like those 4-leaf clovers or 3-leaf clovers you see outside. I've done it with those and had great success with it. But beans tend to show signs of growth quick, which is why we use them in school, okay? All right, you're going to need a plastic baggie, like I said, and you're going to need some paper towels. Now, your paper towels should be wet. I got water in this bowl, and you can see it's wet. Can you see it dripping? I want it not squeezed all the way out, but I want it squeezed so that it doesn't drip a lot. Okay, maybe 1 drip a minute or so. All right, spread them out. And then you're going to open the baggie. You're going to put the paper towel down in the baggie. So you got a wet paper towel in a bag. All right. Now you're going to get some bean seeds if you have them. Miss Hudson's going to get out about 4. And I'm going to put 2 in the front. I kind of spread them out there. Didn't do such a hot job spreading them out. I'm going to make sure they're touching the paper towel. Got 2 in the front right there. Do you see them? Oh, there they are. And then I'm going to put 2 in the back. Just because I have a bunch of seeds. If you only got 1 seed or so, there they are in the back. Do you see them? They got to make sure that they're touching that paper towel, okay? And then you're going to zip your bag closed. You're going to take your piece of tape, and I want you to go to a window, and I want you to tape it on the window. What do you mean, Miss Hudson? You get to travel with me. Woo! We're traveling. It's my room. Crazy town. Oh, there it is. Miss Hudson has her bag. You see it? Hanging in the windowsill. And you can see my seeds right there. There's one and there's another one on one side, okay? Just hang it in a windowsill with a piece of tape, and you're going to leave it there for 10 days, okay? And after 10 days, we come back and take a look at it and see what has changed. And we need to decide whether plants need soil to grow or if they can grow without it. Because what have we done? What's our variable? What have we changed in this experiment? Well, obviously, our variable is plants without soil. We've taken the soil away. Because I have lots of people say, oh no, Miss Hudson, you can't grow a single thing without the nutrients in the soil. Well, there are no nutrients in paper towels. Do you think it's going to grow? We'll have to wait and see, won't we? All right, so I want you to take a minute in your journal, pick it back up with your pencil. And I want you in the day one to draw what your bag of seeds looks like hanging in the window. Okay, so I'm going to draw my paper towel. And it can be a big old fluffy thing. And then I'm going to draw my seeds. Remember those A, B, C, D, E in our scientific sketching. A is accurate. B is big. C is colorful. D is detailed. And E is explained. All right, so I'm going to add some details. My seeds were speckled. So I'm going to add dots to my seeds. And they're kind of brownish. So I'm going to use my colored pencil. I have to go fetch one. Hold on just a second. I'm going to use a colored pencil to color them in. They're brownish colored. And so here are my colored pencils. They're brownish colored, but they're not like solidly brown. They're like light brown and dark brown in spots. So I'm going to color them in. And then I'm going to use my pencil here. I'm going to label. That's the explain, right? So this is my paper towel. This is my bean seeds. And this is, of course, my bag. So you see how I have it right there? I have it labeled. I have it colored. I have it accurate. I have it big. So I did that scientific sketching, okay? All right, we're going to wait 10 days, and then we're going to come back and see what's changed. And then fill in the bottom part, the claim, evidence, and wonders. Yeah, all right, science learners. Have a good day.